Imagine a city where east meets west, where skyscrapers touch the sky, and ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modernity. Welcome to Hong Kong. Hong Kong, officially known as the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region of the People's Republic of China, is a bustling metropolis with a rich history. With a population of over 7.4 million people in just 1,104 square kilometers, Hong Kong is one of the most densely populated regions in the world. The story of Hong Kong began in 1841 when it was ceded to the British Empire after the First Opium War. The colony expanded over the years, incorporating the Kowloon Peninsula in 1860 and the new territories in 1898. During World War II, Hong Kong was occupied by Japan from 1941 to 1945, a period that left a lasting impact on the city. In 1997, after 156 years of British rule, Hong Kong was handed back to China under the principle of one country, two systems. This unique arrangement allows Hong Kong to maintain its own legal and economic systems, separate from mainland China. Hong Kong is a global financial hub, ranking as the fourth most significant financial center in the world. The city's economy is driven by its status as a major commercial port and its highly developed service sector. Despite its wealth, Hong Kong faces severe income inequality, with a significant gap between the rich and the poor. The city is home to the highest number of billionaires per capita and the largest concentration of ultra-high net worth individuals. Hong Kong's skyline is dominated by skyscrapers, with over 554 towers taller than 150 meters, the most in the world. The International Commerce Center and two International Finance Center are among the tallest buildings in the Asia-Pacific region. Hong Kong's architecture is a blend of colonial-era buildings and modern high-rises, reflecting its diverse history. The city's public transport system is one of the most efficient in the world, with over 90% of daily trips made using public transport. The Mass Transit Railway, MTR, is the backbone of Hong Kong's transport network, connecting the city with 98 metro stations. Hong Kong International Airport is one of the busiest in the world, handling millions of passengers and cargo annually. The Star Ferry, a symbol of Hong Kong, operates across Victoria Harbour, offering stunning views of the cityscape. Hong Kong's culture is a unique blend of Chinese traditions and Western influences, creating a vibrant and dynamic society. Cantonese is the predominant language, spoken by 93.7% of the population, while English is also widely used. The city's cuisine is world-renowned, with dim sum and cha chan teng, Hong Kong-style cafes, being local favorites. Hong Kong's film industry, once known as the Hollywood of the East, has produced internationally acclaimed movies and stars. Cantopop, a genre of Cantonese popular music, emerged in Hong Kong and remains a significant part of the city's cultural identity. Hong Kong is also a sports hub, hosting major events like the Hong Kong Sevens and the Hong Kong Marathon. The city has a high life expectancy with public healthcare funded by general tax revenue, covering 95% of healthcare costs. Education in Hong Kong is highly valued, with a system modeled on the British education system. The University of Hong Kong, established in 1911, is one of the top universities in the world. Hong Kong's media landscape is diverse, with numerous newspapers and television channels catering to different audiences. Despite challenges, Hong Kong remains a city of resilience, constantly evolving and adapting to new realities. As the city looks towards the future, the question of its governance post-2047 remains a topic of debate and speculation. Hong Kong, a city of contrasts and opportunities, continues to captivate the world with its unique blend of tradition and modernity. Stay tuned for more stories from this incredible city.